Wouldn't it be just fabulous if you could create your website with only a few clicks?
You wouldn't have to worry about things like hosting providers, SSL, CDN,
CPU, MySQL, PHP, TLDR. Elementor Cloud Website is your all-in-one solution for creating your first or next website. With Elementor Cloud Website, we've removed all the technical barriers so you can focus on your own creation. Let's see it in action. Begin by signing up for your Elementor Cloud website. Select a kit to kickstart your library, or if you prefer, begin from scratch. Here you'll find all the tools you need to create your professional website, including the Elementor editor you and 10 million other web creators already know and love, complete with all pro features. With your new Elementor Cloud website, you can easily connect with a support agent. Just click the lifesaver from anywhere while you're editing the website. With plenty of storage space, bandwidth, and monthly visits, your website will grow with your business so you can concentrate on actually building your website. Extend your website capabilities with Elementor-compatible plugins such as WooCommerce and advanced custom fields, just to name a few. Rest assured knowing your cloud website is powered by Google Cloud Platform and protected with SSL, the industry standard for security. Did we mention it's an all-in-one solution? The My Elementor dashboard gives you control of your entire Elementor website. See and manage everything from one place. Here you can manage your site settings such as connect your custom domain, create and manage your website's backups, and other useful actions. You can also just click here to start editing your homepage. With Elementor Cloud Website, you can leave the technical stuff to us and focus on creating. Now, you're in control. Go to elementor.com to sign up for your first Elementor Cloud website.